So, your partner has cheated. It's a devastating experience, and you might be feeling lost and unsure of what to do next. Let's talk about some steps you can take to begin healing. It's natural to experience a flood of emotions after infidelity: anger, sadness, confusion, or even guilt. The first step to healing is allowing yourself to feel these emotions without suppressing them. Give yourself permission to grieve the betrayal. Journal, cry, or vent to a trusted friend as part of processing your feelings. Remind yourself, these emotions are valid and normal. Healing starts with acknowledging your pain, not ignoring it. Infidelity is a choice your partner made, and it's not your fault. Even if there were challenges in your relationship, their decision to betray your trust is on them, not you. Avoid internalizing their actions as a reflection of your worth. Affirm yourself. I deserve love, respect, and honesty. Self-blame can stall healing. Focus on rebuilding your confidence. Whether you decide to stay in the relationship or not, open communication is key to understanding what you need to heal. If you're staying, have honest conversations about the betrayal. Clearly express your expectations moving forward, such as transparency or therapy. Be open about what you need emotionally, even if it's time or space. Your partner needs to understand that rebuilding trust is a process, and your needs are central to that process. Healing is not something you have to do alone. Reaching out to others can provide comfort, perspective, and guidance. Talk to a trusted friend or family member who will listen without judgment. Consider individual therapy to process your emotions and gain clarity. Join support groups where others share similar experiences. Support helps you feel less isolated and empowers you to navigate your healing journey. After infidelity, you face a crossroads. Do you rebuild the relationship or do you move on? This decision is deeply personal and should be made at your own pace. Take time to evaluate whether trust can realistically be rebuilt. Consider whether you see a future where the relationship feels healthy and fulfilling. Remember, there's no right answer, only the answer that feels best for you. Your future is yours to decide, and it's okay to take your time. No matter what you choose, prioritizing your personal growth and well-being is essential. Healing isn't just about the relationship, it's about finding peace within yourself. Rediscover hobbies, interests, or goals you may have set aside. Practice self-care daily, whether it's exercise, meditation, or time in nature. Build your confidence by celebrating small wins and recognizing your resilience. Your healing journey is about becoming whole, regardless of your relationship status. If you decide to stay, rebuilding trust takes time and effort from both sides. Your partner needs to show consistent actions that align with their words. Set clear boundaries and expectations moving forward. Take small steps toward trust, rather than expecting it all at once. Engage in couples therapy to address underlying issues together. Rebuilding trust is a long process that requires transparency, effort, and patience. Healing from infidelity is never easy, but it is possible. Whether you decide to rebuild your relationship or move forward on your own, remember that you are worthy of love, respect, and happiness. Take the time you need to heal, and know that this chapter doesn't define your future. If you're navigating the pain of infidelity, don't hesitate to seek support. Whether it's talking to a therapist, joining a support group, or sharing your experience, taking action is the first step to healing. Let us know your thoughts or questions in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Ties and Threads, and hit the notification bell for more insights on building healthier relationships.